Hey, this is day 11 of 100 Days, 100 Business Ideas. Just stick with us for 2 minutes. Maybe one of these can actually change your life. You must watch this if you're in your teens or early 20s. If you're deep into TikTok, you've probably used tools to download videos, find viral sounds, or spy on competitors. Guess what? Most creators don't know those tools exist, and that's where you win. You curate a TikTok tool pack, basically a clean list of hidden tools with explanations on how to use them. For example, sites to track viral sound trends, AI script generators, CapCut templates, TikTok video spy tools, hashtag analyzers, downloader without watermark. You organize it into a Notion page or PDF. Make it look clean. Add use cases. Package it as 27 underground TikTok tools you've never heard of, $15. Sell it on Gumroad. Promote it in TikTok creator Facebook groups, Reddit, Discord, and DMs. You're not building software, you're just connecting people to tools they didn't know existed and saving them hours of YouTube rabbit holes. If you've spent more time on TikTok than anyone else you know, this is your advantage. Make content about tools. Sell the pack. You're not a tool creator, you're a tool curator.